Lecture 10. What is data cleaning? Have you ever tried calculating an average and received a strange result, such as NaN, not a number, or a number that is significantly off from what you expected? Chances are the problem wasn't your math, it was the data. Welcome to the world of data cleaning. In this lecture, we're going to look at why raw data can't always be trusted, how to spot issues before they become problems, and what steps professionals take to make messy data usable. Whether you're working with right data, survey responses, or sales figures, clean data is the foundation for everything that follows. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to define what data cleaning entails and why it is important. Understand the types of problems data cleaning solves. Learn the mindset and habits needed for effective cleaning. Explore examples of common fixes using Databricks. What is data cleaning? Data cleaning is the process of correcting, fixing, or removing errors, inconsistencies, or gaps in your datasets so that it's accurate and ready for analysis. It doesn't mean changing the meaning of the data, it means making it trustworthy. A clean dataset has consistent formatting, dates, names, and categories. Has missing values either filled in or removed. Has duplicates removed. Has column names that make sense. Is free from typos, noise, or errors. Think of it like proofreading a paper. You're not changing the core message, you're just ensuring it's readable, logical, and error-free. Why is it so important? Imagine you're analyzing sales data for a retail chain. If some prices are listed as $20 with dollar sign, others as 20 USD, and a few as just 20, your analysis will break. Averages won't calculate correctly. Filters won't work, and your insights completely unreliable. Real case insight. A 2016 report from IBM estimated that bad data costs the US economy $3.1 trillion a year. From marketing errors to flawed business decisions, dirty data has real consequences. Common cleaning tasks with code examples. Let's walk through the types of tasks you will often perform during cleaning and how to approach them in Databricks. Removing duplicates. For that, you will just write in here as df underscore clean and equal to df dot drop duplicates, and this function, and when you just run this program, here you can see when you just click in here, it shows that the duplicates value has been dropped. Why it matters? Duplicates can inflate counts and lead to misleading results. For example, two identical customer entries could double your sales figures. Handling missing values. To remove rows with missing values, you can just write in here as add another code cell and just type in here as df underscore clean equal to df dot drop na and function. And when you just run this code, and here you can see this line of code has been implemented on all these columns. To fill missing values, you can just write in here as first of all add code cell and start typing as df underscore clean and equal to df dot fill na and this one and braces. For example, you have in single quotes fair amount and default value is 0.0, and just close this one and it should be in single quotes as well. Now when you run this program, it has been implemented on all these columns as well. Why it matters? Missing values can cause functions to fail or distort summary stats. Standardizing formats. Say you have inconsistent figures in a column like fair amount, for example, and to standardize that, you can just click in here, add another code cell, and just start typing as df underscore clean equal to df with column. So you will just write in here as fair amount and click on tab, and it means here you can see. So this line of code means Every time you will enter a fair amount, it will be in double. So when you just run this line of code, so it has been correctly implemented, and here you can see as the fair amount will have a double in here. You can also standardize date formats or trim extra spaces. Why it matters? Inconsistent formatting makes it difficult to group, filter, and merge datasets. Renaming columns for clarity. To rename your column, you can just click in here as new code cell and just type in here as df underscore clean is equal to df dot with column renamed, and you can choose this one. And now you will just type the name of the column that you want to change, like for example tpet pickup date time to pickup date time, and you can just click on tab. And now when you just run this line of code, you can click in here, and now you have pickup date time as timestamp. So the name tpet pickup date time has been changed to pickup date time. Why it matters? Columns like x1 or var2 are not helpful. Clear names reduce confusion and improve collaboration. Filtering out invalid entries. Example: removing rows where age is negative or unreasonably high. For that, you will just type in here as df underscore clean equals df dot filter, and for now you will just type df and the column name, for example pickup date time, and is not null, so it should not be null. So when you just run this line of code by clicking in here, and here you can see now this column will never be null, and now this program will give an error if this specific column will be submitted with a blank cell. Why it matters? Outliers may be due to data entry errors. At scale, they distort trends and graphs. Cleaning is iterative. You don't clean once and move on. You clean, inspect, and repeat the process as needed. Sometimes you will catch issues late in the process, and that's okay. Experienced data professionals don't rush. They stay skeptical and ask, does this value make sense? Are these columns formatted consistently? Am I missing anything strange? Mindset shift from coding to questioning. Data cleaning is not just a technical task, it's a critical thinking exercise. You're constantly balancing what is technically wrong. What could go wrong later if I leave this as it is? That's why companies like LinkedIn, Uber, and Airbnb employ full-time data engineers and analysts, whose primary job is ensuring data quality, not analysis or modeling, but rather making sure the data can be trusted. Data cleaning might sound tedious, but it's where real skills and judgment come into play. It's the part of the process that separates casual users from thoughtful analysts. The truth is, any insight or graph built on flawed data is flawed from the outset. However, once you know how to identify and resolve issues, you are one step closer to producing meaningful and accurate work.